Projectile motion is one of the subjects that most students studying physics find challenging. In this video, we try to find the maximum height, the total time of the projectile motion, and the range. Let's get started. Remember, projectile motion is not one question. It's two questions combined. Let me explain. It's a motion that includes horizontal and vertical motion together. In horizontal motion, we have some kind of equation. In vertical motion, another. They are independent from each other, except time. Time passes the same for both of them. Let's get started with the initial velocity. At the beginning, initial velocity can be divided in two parts. The horizontal component, ux, and the vertical component, uy. Horizontal component is u cosine theta and vertical component u sine theta. So we don't have only one initial velocity. We have it in two dimensions now. In horizontal direction, we don't have any force. We are not considering a resistance. We don't have acceleration. So the object will move with constant velocity. That means that u cosine theta we introduced stays constant. So only one equation, x equal u cosine theta times t. In vertical direction, the story is different. Now we have gravity. We have a force. This force makes acceleration for us. This acceleration is g, almost 9.81 meter per second squared. But direction is downward. We have to consider direction here. And we have the initial velocity that is u sine theta. Now we have to go back to our original equation of motions and replace this information in it. We have new equations, but they are not actually new. These are the equation of motions that we had before. When it comes to maximum height, we look our vertical motion equations. At maximum height, we know that the vertical component of velocity is zero. It stops. Not the horizontal. Vertical component of velocity is zero. We use our equations. We put that zero information in our equation, a little mathematics, and we can find the maximum height. For finding the total time of the motion, we use this information that the object started from the ground and ended in the ground. That means the vertical displacement is zero. So I go to my vertical equations, I use this information, and I have it. Total time of the equation of motion, which is 2 times u sine theta over g. Range. Range means the distance that the object traveled in x direction. That means horizontal. So I go to my horizontal equations, which only was 1. Now I have the total time of the motion. Let's use that, and there we go. We have the formula for range, which is 2 times u squared sine theta cosine theta over g. Try to use these steps by yourself, and after that, add them in your physics note. Now it's your turn. A quick quiz. Only 2 questions. Question 1. What is the horizontal velocity at every moment? The answer is A. Question 2. What about vertical displacement? Which equation was it? The answer is B. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe and share it with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one.